हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द डिजीफिश 3 यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे सब्जेक्ट एरिया की जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की और रादर हर ब्रांड की फाउंडेशन रखता है, व्हिच इज SEO, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन। आज भी बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स इसको बहुत मैकेनिकली ट्रीट करते हैं। ब्लॉग बनाया, पब्लिश किया, कीवर्ड इंजेस्ट किया और हो गया। बट इन 2026 दैट इज नॉट हाउ SEO रियली वर्क्स। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि इस साल which is 2026 में क्या मिथ्स हैं जो हमें बस्ट करने हैं when it comes to SEO, what are the keyword strategies that we need to implement, what are the sites that we need to go up to, and what is EERP and other such technical words जो SEO को complicated नहीं but easy बनाने के काम आ रहा है। अगर आप SEO को सिर्फ ट्रैफिक के लिए नहीं but genuinely business growth के लिए यूज करना चाह रहे हैं, so this video is actually for you. We're going to be talking about why such as very simple things as keyword ingestion is become a very important affair in our websites today. If your website has content, blogs, keywords, everything ingested right, traffic भी आ रहा है but फिर भी नई चीजें बढ़ रही हैं, so why not try some things which are new with the SEO trends for 2026. सबसे पहले एक बहुत बड़ा myth burst करते हैं that the more the content, the better is your traffic. That is not how it works. It is not necessary कि आप ज़्यादा content डालें या ज़्यादा keywords ingest करें तो आपकी ranking higher आ जाएगी. It's not going to work like that. Google changes its algorithm on a very regular basis. And according to that, content ज़्यादा होना ज़रूरी नहीं है, but you sticking to your business and strategy is something which is very important. 2026 के SEO रूल का सबसे मेजर पॉइंट है कि आपका बिजनेस clearly defined होना चाहिए with every content piece that you're putting across. Only then will you get the searches that you actually require. अब बात करते हैं दूसरे फंडामेंटल राइट की, which is कि आपका कंटेंट सर्च हो पा रहा है कि नहीं हो पा रहा है. That is your keyword relevant or not relevant? Basically, it is not that I run an agency and I can run any keyword that I want to, but it should suit your business is what the major requirement of Google is today. For example, if I have an agency, which I do, so when a keyword of best marketing agency is typed, I should rank, and that is where my SEO team will work on. Not on any random keyword as digital marketing in India, best source of marketing in India. That's not how it's going to work. So have your keywords very specific so that your research audience has the right searchability and you are somebody who's found. That's what we do the SEO for at the end of the day. अब आते हैं तीसरे रूल पे, which I said and mentioned earlier as well. The more the content, the merrier we are in SEO. No. For example, we see a lot of agencies doing 10 blogs in probably 2 days just to keep posting and keep the regularity going. But that's not how it's going to work. It is merely not the number of blogs that you're putting or not the frequency that you're putting in, but the subject area that you're trying to reach and the right information. Reason, the people will only search what they intend to. And if you're writing what they are intending for, that's where your searchability or your SEO increases. Fourth, हमें opposite model समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Basically, it's not just about content and strategy, it is also about what to choose and when to choose, which is strategy. ऐसा कैसे होता है कि 10 ब्लॉग्स हमारे फेल हो गए but 2 आउटशाइन कर गए? It is purely because we're able to solve the problem or we're able to answer the problem. And that purely happens when you understand the subject area and know what the users intend to read. And that can only happen if you are very clear of what you would want to showcase in your brand and how will you get your target consumers to actually reach out to the content that you're making. So the 2 best performings will only have the content that people are really looking out for and searching about it with keywords that are relevant to not just your brand but also relevant for the people who are searching for it. Now let's talk about a very simple fundamental, EEAT: expertise, experience, authority and timeline. This is something which is very important when you're talking about the SEO Major 2026 rule. क्या ये कंटेंट प्रैक्टिकली किसी ने फील्ड में देखा है? क्या ये कंटेंट हमारे को रेजोनेट करता है? क्या ये कंटेंट मेरे ब्रांड को ऊपर लेके जाएगा? These are the questions which are very important. But of course, there is also something which is very important, timeline and trust. आपका कंज्यूमर आप पे कैसे ट्रस्ट करेगा? So, give them a better experience, give them a better expertise, give them the authenticity कि मेरा brand correct है, and give them at the correct timeline and maintain the trust. That is what EEAT would typically stand for when it comes to the major thumb rule of 2026. Google आज सबसे पहले एक ही बात पूछता है, क्या आपका ब्रांड ट्रस्टवर्दी है? So basically, SEO is just not here to give you visibility, but is typically here to give the brand trust that you genuinely requires to attain the maximum users possible. Okay, अब बात करते हैं AI, the buzzing word. Is AI content suitable for your brand? AI generally सिर्फ एक tool है. It is not the strategy that you can implement. You can of course use AI for ideation, research, and to take in samples it if you want to. But क्या Google हमें penalize करेगा कि कभी भी कोई article आ जाता है which says Google is going to accept AI content or Google is not going to accept AI content? What trend should we follow? So typically, keep AI as just your research mechanism and not somebody who can actually write the content for you. So Google low content को penalize करता है, AI driven content को नहीं. So I am not saying कि AI driven content use करो या नहीं करो, but use things which are more familiar to your brand. So try and have that human touch and use AI just as a research tool. So to sum it up for all of you, अगर हम 2026 के SEO trends को follow करें, so क्या ज़रूरी है? Quality over quantity, trust over anything else, intent that we need to create, and of course, the expertise that we need to give across to people. So why not build a community which is brand, of course, not just about trust, but also about what your audience require. Do it with trust, experience, and authenticity. हर कंटेंट पब्लिश करने से पहले अपने आप से एक सवाल ज़रूर पूछिए, क्या ये कंटेंट मेरे ब्रांड से रेजोनेट करता है? क्योंकि आप नहीं चाहते कि आपका कंटेंट सिर्फ ट्रैफिक बढ़ाए, आप ये भी चाहते हैं कि आपका कंटेंट आपका ब्रांड सर्च बढ़ाए. So use SEO not just for searchability or traffic, but also for relevant audience growth. If this was interesting, why not subscribe to DigiFish 3 YouTube channel and get to know many more marketing tricks which I'm sure all of us require for a brand growth.